Rob and I are back at the Fitty Club, which is our favorite thrift store, and we are going to be doing a collaboration with Debbie's Design Diary for her paint release. She's got 5 new colors. They're all amazing. So this is a big deal, and they're really pretty. So let's go in.
Yay!
So I did pick these little drawers up. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I really love the hardware on them. And I can't honestly remember if I grabbed that or not. If I did, it's in the back of my car. I'm really not sure. Oh look, the Frito Bandito. We're taking him.
He's in the cart.
Is in the cart. So everything you see here is 50 cents, and if you're in the Spokane area, you really need to come check this store out. They will give you a day pass, and it's $149 a year, but definitely worth it. Hey little dog, you want to come help me make a video? It'll be really fun. Okay, I guess not. I was tempted to grab this love seat because I saw this really pretty inspiration photo on Pinterest, but I just don't have the room. Here's one that I did a few weeks ago. It turned out really cute though. And my helper.
Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that
I feel like it's a little early for Christmas, but I gotta get in the Christmas spirit somehow. So I'm going down to my shop today and I'm going to craft a little bit. I've got some really cute ideas. We'll see how it goes. This one is called Eden. It's a really dark, pretty green. This one is called Electrified. Look at that, that is so good. This one is Flirtatious. It's really pretty. This one's called Walk on Water. I think it's my favorite. I think sometimes when I am trying to blend certain colors together, I'm always trying to come up with this color, and I never can. And then this one is called Blood Moon. So pretty, really deep, beautiful purple. I bought 6 of these, 50 cents each, and I had Rob cut them all into smaller chunks to make some ornaments with. So I already had him put those little screwy things on the top. Bought a bunch of bowls, a bunch of these bowls, and I bought different sizes. And we're going to make a Christmas tree. It's gonna weigh 1,000 pounds. I'm gonna glue it together. I don't know how I'm gonna carry it because it's gonna be really heavy. I might have to get a forklift. This piece is probably the heaviest one. It's so heavy. I don't even know if I'm gonna really want to use this one. It's incredibly heavy. And then I'm gonna put it on a candlestick base, which is also 1,000 pounds. But I think it's gonna be cool. We're gonna paint the inside to look like stained glass, hopefully. I sent Rob a message and asked him if he would help me out and send me a little clip. We're going to use these brushes. I love these brushes. You can find these brushes on my website. These are Debbie's DIY paint brushes. They're incredibly soft. I love them. We're going to give them all a nice big fat coat of paint. It might take a coat and a half, but Debbie's paint is so pigmented that it has great coverage. By the way, Debbie's paint is super thick too. So sometimes I take a spray bottle, mister bottle, and mist it down with water to spread it further just because it's so thick. Look at that, that's pretty. Ooh.
oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It's the night of the dear Savior's birth.
Painting the stripes on these ornaments was not my original plan, but I just wanted to use every single color. They look so beautiful together, and so I just kind of went crazy. And then I grabbed a Rose Botanical IOD transfer. I really think this transfer is so beautiful and is going to look so good on my ornaments. I also carry all of the IOD products, so if you need them, I've got you. If you've never used a transfer before, all you have to do is cut out the piece that you want, take it off the backing, the white backing, lay it down, and then I start in the middle if it's a curved area. Start in the middle, rub it down with the stick that it comes with, and then just keep peeling it off until it comes off that clear paper. And it's pretty easy, very self-explanatory. Then you just burnish it with the plastic that comes with it. I'm sealing my ornaments with DIY's Big Top. It's a really nice varnish. It's very sturdy. It will protect your transfers as well as seal your paint. DIY paint is clay-based, so before you seal it, it will be a chalkier color. But once you put the sealer on, it will really deepen the colors of your paint and give it just a really nice soft satin sheen. I wanted to give my ornaments a kind of a grungy look, so I used DIY's Dark and Decrepit. You just put it over the Big Top after it's dried with a brush, and then I wipe it back with a baby wipe. And then it will stay in all those little crevices of your project and give it sort of a grungy look. I think these turned out so pretty.
The night when Christ was born.
Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Dude. Hey, dude. Will you help me do a video, dude? Dude, will you help me do a video, please? He won't even look at the camera. He's like, no, please go away.
Okay, I have a question for you. Have you seen the trees that people are making out of punch bowls and old crystal bowls? Well, I want to try it, but I want to do a little twist to it. First of all, we're going to wash them out. I just have a baby wipe, and I just washed them all out like this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the clear Salvation Solution primer. To help the paint stick on all of these, because I did a practice one, and when I painted it right on the glass, because DIY doesn't have a binder or a sealer in it, every time I painted it, it was just reactivating. So we're gonna primer these. I might scuff sand them too. Scuff sand them, Salvation Solution equals success. I just used one of my old brushes and gave all of the bowls on the inside a coat of the clear Salvation Solution. I think it really did help, because when I painted the second coat of paint inside the bowl, it wasn't smearing the paint. The first coat of paint was staying put. And so that is the key, is to make sure that you primer your bowl first. Hey, dude. How about helping me make a video? Do you want to help me make a video? So here I am just doing a second coat of the paint, and I got a little fancy, of course, and painted some stripes. I think that a pink one would be so pretty. I did some painting on the outside of the bowls too, and then I'm going to spray it with a spray sealer just to make it kind of look shiny. After everything dried, I took this base, which is a candlestick. This thing is so heavy. It's really, really heavy. This thing's gonna weigh 1,000,000 pounds. But I used E6000 glue, and I glued each piece on, making sure that they were all level. and then I left it all to sit for 24 hours. And when it was done, it's pretty sturdy. I don't think it's going to fall apart. At least I hope not. No, it won't. It's not going to fall apart. Where you going, dude? Are you going home? He refuses to look at the camera. I do think this turned out really sweet, and I think I'm definitely going to make some more. Okay, so I'm out of here. I'm going to go home and edit my video. I hope you guys will go down in the description box and see the playlist and check out everyone else's videos. You guys are gonna love these paints. They're so beautiful. The colors are amazing. Debi really hit it out of the park. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to Debi for asking me to be in this collaboration. It was super fun, even though my support staff all bailed on me. That was my only obstacle in this whole entire endeavor, is that Rob is hunting and the dogs are no help. It's okay. We figured it out. Anyway, yes, thank you, Debi. It was fun. If you are looking for any of the products that I used in this video, I have them all on my website. Go check out the description box below, and you can find everything there. Or if you're in the Spokane Valley area, just swing by and see me. I would love to meet you guys. I just thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you next time. I totally forgot one of the plates that I painted. This was supposed to go underneath that one right there. This one was supposed to go under it, and I spaced it off. I can use it for another one that I'm working on. So here's my tree. It's done. I really wanted to weigh it. It weighs over 20 pounds. Not too bad. Action.
Leave a scrape over the, wait, what? Do another scrape for the left, and then leave a thumbs up.
Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.